how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will guide you how you can sign up on Adidas affiliate program. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up a browser and in the search bar type in Adidas affiliate. Once you search for it, now you have to go to the first link on your interface that says what is our affiliate program or www.adidas.com. Now once you land on this kind of interface here, you will have all of the information regarding the affiliate program, and it have covered the topics such as welcome collaborators, get creative and inspire others, commitment, passion, and make sure you go through this article if you want. Now if you want to apply for the affiliate program or if you want to sign up, there is the small link provided here that says apply now, so click on apply now. That's gonna land you to a different page. So here it says partner with Adidas to be eligible to earn commissions from your traffic. Apply today. So in order to sign up, all you have to do is click on sign up button. Now here you'll be taken into the space where you have this contract term for Adidas. Scroll through it and make sure to read this contact term displayed in your interface. It has given all of the contact terms for Adidas. So scroll through it and then make sure you check this contract form. Once you have done that, if you accept this contract, then click on accept. Now to sign up and start earning, you have to select the one of this account if you like to create an account, or if you already have an Impact account, you could also sign in with impact.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can either sign up with email or choose this account such as Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So if you want to continue with any one of those, you could do that, or if you continue with sign up with email, then you'll be prompted to enter the email and also the password. So here I will just select one of my Google accounts. So click on Google, then select your preferred account. Then click on continue. Now again, in order to complete your sign up, enter or confirm your first name, your last name, your email address, then enter your mobile number with your country code. And once you have entered your mobile number, check the tick mark right here, then click on get started. After that, follow the on-screen instructions or prompts to set up your account. But once you provide all of your information, you will be directly signed into your account. But if prompted, follow the on-screen instruction carefully, then you'll be logged into the Adidas affiliate program, and there you may have to set up your account furthermore. So that's it. That's how you can sign up for the Adidas affiliate program, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.